Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Shahi Loki. This is a very different preparation of Loki or bottle gourd because we are using gram flour in it, and the main flavor of this Loki is bottle gourd and roasted gram flour. So what we have to do is firstly dry roast the gram flour on a low flame for around 8 to 10 minutes, stirring continuously. While our gram flour is roasting, I will cut our bottle gourd. Now take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil, add 3 to 4 black pepper, 3 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon, roast them on low flame. Now add 1 sliced onion, cook it till onion is pink. Add 2 to 3 cloves of freshly grated garlic, half inch of freshly grated ginger. Now add peeled and chopped bottle gourd. Mix it well, add salt, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of red chili or as per your taste, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix it well. Now add 2 chopped tomato. Mix it, cover it and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover it and you can see the gravy or juice of bottle gourd and tomato. Add another half inch of garam masala, half teaspoon of dry mango powder. Mix it well. Now add around 50 grams of roasted gram flour. Mix it very well till the extra moisture evaporate, and your very different, very tasty Shahi Loki is ready. Thank you.